Hi guys, in today's video, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to use the Magic Link feature to create a new profile using the latest update. The Magic Link feature allows users to transfer profiles from their original browser or other Antidetect browser to Hidemyacc while maintaining the exact same working environment. To begin, click the Import Profile button and select Magic Link, then follow these 4 steps. First, create a URL link. Then, copy the URL link and paste it into your original browser. Here, fill in the information including the profile name, storage folder, extension, and proxy. Finally, press Create to create the profile. Now you have a profile with the exact same parameters as the original profile. You can compare these two profiles on IP Fighter. All parameters such as operating system, browser, screen size, font, WebRTC, etc. are copied exactly. Regarding browser version, it will be the latest version on Hidemyacc. Next, you need to import cookies from the original profile to the Hidemyacc profile. You can use the Get Cookies TXT extension or another extension depending on your needs to export cookies. Note that cookies need to be saved in JSON format. To add cookies to the profile, select the profile and then click the Import Cookies button on the menu bar. Here, you need to use the zip file containing the cookie file. You can zip the file by right-clicking on the cookie file and selecting Compress to Zip. Finally, click Import to complete the process. You can also use Magic Link to transfer profiles from other Antidetect browsers such as Multiligin, Doligen, Dolphin Anti, etc. to Hidemyacc simply and quickly. Above, Hidemyacc has just guided you on how to use the Magic Link feature to create a new profile according to version 3.0.93. If you notice any changes to the feature, please contact Hidemyacc support via live chat for the fastest assistance, or access the Hidemyacc user manual attached in the description. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.